Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for being given the opportunity to present our research. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dia and my partner are Yunus Arifin as team leader and Sari Anggarawati. In this opportunity, I would like to present the influence of farmer behavior and motivational in land conservation on farmers' income in the Upper Ciliwung Watershed Bogor Regency. Let's start from introduction. The very rapid development in the Jabodetabek area, especially in the Ciliwung River watershed, has led to the conservation of agriculture land into built-up land which has reduced water catchment areas, resulting in flooding in the downstream Jakarta, Tangerang, and Bekasi. The flood is an indication that the current spatial plan is not in accordance with the carrying capacity of the area. The main problem of disaster in landslide deaths are very detrimental to the community, especially endangering settlements in addition to landslide land damage, namely land degradation caused by erosion and the use of agricultural chemical and reduce land fertility. Therefore, it is necessary to do community-based conservation as well as increase the community's capacity regarding disaster resilience and risk reduction. The purpose of this study is the influence of farmer behavior in land conservation and motivation about land conservation on farmers' income in the Ciliwung Hulu Watershed Bogor Regency. Research method. This research is explanatory research. The basic method used in the research is descriptive method in which data collection use survey technique. This research was conducted in the Ciliwung watershed, namely Cisarua and Megamendung District, Bogor Regency. Sampling was carried by using stratified random sampling technique from 6 existing farmer group. From each farmer group, 15 farmers were taken as a sample by means of sample random sampling, so that the total number of respondents was 80 people. Primary data consists of data on the socio-economic identity of farmers, the application of farmer technology by farmers' income, motivation of farmers in land conservation, and factors that influence farmers' motivation in land conservation. Secondary data include geographic location and area condition, population condition, agriculture potential in the research area. Hypothesis. The hypothesis used in this study is that it's assumed that farmers' behavior in land conservation and farmers' motivation and insight about land conservation have a positive relationship with farmer productivity and income. Analysis data to determine the level of farmer behavior and motivation. A Likert scale model is used, which is measured in score. The factor that affect the income level of farmers are identified using the multiple linear regression analysis model with OLS estimation. Result in discussion. Condition of Ciliwung Hulu watershed. The rapid development in the upstream area of the Ciliwung watershed is marked by land use change, which has reduced the function of this area as a buffer zone. Floods in 2002 and 2007 in DKI Jakarta were partly caused by change in land cover pattern in the upstream area. The occurrence of flooding is closely related to rainfall that cannot be absorbed by the soil due to reduced water catchment area. Can be seen in Table 1, namely the indicator of farmer motivation in land conservation that is influential culture value orientation 86.67%. The influence of farming motivation on conservation, the result of statistics analysis show that the behavior of farmers and land conservation has an effect on increasing farmers' income at the 95% real level. The result regression, it is even found that the behavior that has been given so far show positive land conservation effort. The influence of farmer behavior in land conservation is possible because farmer behavior tends to be active and protecting the environment. The passive attitude is shown by the reluctance of farmers to practice conservation farming through their own business, but almost always waiting for help from other parties. Can be seen in Table 2, namely the indicator of farmer behavior that is influential use of adaptive varieties that are stable and resistant to climatic pressure and tillage using herbicide 85%. Result the regression show that land conservation efforts are positively influenced by farmer motivation. Motivation can be increased through increasing knowledge and skill by providing intensive education, training, and counseling. By increasing understanding of the importance of conservation through continuous counseling, it is hoped that farmers will experience change from not knowing to knowing, willing, and being able to conserve lands so that farmers' income will increase. Result the regression, it is found that together the behavior of farmers and farmer motivation and land conservation affect the increase in farmer income in the study area. To have a good influence and effective way of providing incentive for land rehabilitation and soil conservation is needed. Farming business pattern. In farming, there are many factors that need to be considered, including market, ecological, and social. The majority of farming patterns are paddy vegetables, with the mainstay of vegetables spring onion, sawi, and carrot. Therefore, a mathematical solution is needed to take advantage of farmers' behavior and motivation in land conservation by utilizing optimal cropping pattern through the addition of commodity planting, taking into account when haoka is scarce, harvesting it, and the distribution of farming activities per month. An alternative cropping pattern, it is recommended to plant flax. One is the rainy season accompanying rice, and 2 times to plant mustard green accompanying flax in the dry season. figure majority planting pattern in Megamendung and Cisarua district. October, November, December, January, farming padi. February, March, April, May, farming spring union, sawi, and carrot. June, July, August, September, farming spring union, sawi, and carrot. Conclusion: farmer behavior and land conservation in the Ciliwung Hulu Sub Watershed Bogor Regency an influence on effort to increase farmer income. Behavioral indicators that can affect land conservation are types of assistance consisting of technical and vegetative civil assistance, farmers' motivation effect, and land conservation significantly, so it needs various efforts to increase motivation. Motivational indicators that can affect land conservation are understanding of conservation, the area of land managed, land management period, level of income, and environmental related activities. Together, farmer behavior and farmer motivation in land conservation have an effect on farmer income because agriculture productivity increases. Thank you very much for your participation.